Hi and welcome to this tutorial to help you get the best out of Cetopo when working with Revit. If you've used Cetopo before or watched any of our Getting Started videos, then you'll be familiar with projects and selecting an area, so we'll start here. Once you've selected an area, you can click on this cog next to the Revit template under CAD. This brings us to the Template Configuration dialog, where we can have a look at some of the configuration options. In the Roads tab, you can choose whether you want to import road models as topo solid subdivisions, or as separate mass models. It can also be a good idea to change the colors of the building models before downloading. Here you can select the colors you want. Of course, you can always edit the building material in Revit as well. If you want your model to also include 2D information, be sure to turn drawings on. Once you're happy with how the template is configured, you can go ahead and click Download. The file will download as a .cxf file. Now, to use this file, you'll need to download and install our Cetopo plugin for Revit. This is available from our Resource Center. Just select the version of Revit you are using, then download and run the installer. Now we're in Revit. You'll see the Cetopo ribbon at the top of your screen. Before you import your model, you can choose how you'd like Cetopo to bring in the trees, either as standard blocks, Revit families, or Enscape assets. And for more information on how to set these options up, please see our guide on this, linked in the description. You can also decide here whether you'd like to import elements in groups or not. Now click Import and locate your download. You'll be asked how you'd like to place the model. Here you can either overwrite the suggested project base point or accept it by clicking here. By default, projects are geolocated, but you can turn this off if you want by unchecking this box. All of the elements that make up a Cetopo model are individually editable. Terrain and roads are topo solids, while buildings are masses. You can easily edit the buildings by selecting Create Parts and then Show Shape Handles. You can also apply materials by selecting them here. You can alternatively apply materials by surface using the Paint tool. Roads are subdivided into roads, pavements, and paths and can each have distinct materials applied to them. It is also easy to edit the topo solid by selecting the topo solid and then modify sub-elements. Finally, you can refer to the data sources used to create your model and when they were last accessed in the Cetopo sources legend. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.